Alright, so I'm about to try however you pronounce this Korean rice ball with plant-based beefless. What is that? Bologna?
Really, nigga?
So it's actually pronounced bulgogi. Alright, not bologna, bulgogi. And vegetables. This is from Trader Joe's. My niece and my sister recommended it highly. This is what it looks like. Still kind of hot. I mean, we're gonna go for it. It smells good. I'm not too sure I'm going to like it. But let's go for it. Salud. It's alright. It's alright. It's cool. I don't think I would buy it myself, but it's cool though. Give it about 6.6. I like the plant-based beefless beef, whatever. I like that taste to it. Very smoky. Has like a kind of sweet after like taste. Kind of tastes like barbecue. Like, I don't know, like some type of Korean barbecue, maybe like teriyaki. I got some plant-based Rice Krispie treats that my sister gave me. Let's try these out. This is going to be my first time ever trying these. I've never had these before. So let's see if they're good. Vegan marshmallows, sprinkles, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, etc. It's been a long time since I had some Rice Krispie treats, since I've gave up meat. So this is what it looks like. Let's try it. Yeah, I like it. The seeds, I can do without the seeds, but the seeds aren't horrible. I could do without them. This would taste perfectly fine without them, but they aren't horrible. You know, I guess it's a added health benefit. These are good. I say like a 7 out of 10. Strong. Good snack. I like them. Up next, we have some plant-based chicken taquitos. These are basically these right here. If you grew up eating these like I did, you're going to love the plant-based versions of them, but I do recommend some ranch because that shit be hidden.
So who's the perp?
Mortimer Drake, a.k.a. the Cavalier, obsessed with 18th century romanticism, wanted by Interpol for grand theft, embezzlement, and murder.
To rescue thy fair lady, you must first best me in combat. After all,
I'd like to help, but I'm a little low on arrows.
Absolutely delicious.
have at thee!